Hello guys, welcome to Apna Cafe. So in this video I've created for the sole purpose to provide you guys 70 to 90% discount on Byju's IELTS course. How you can get maximum discount and how, from the top trusted counselors from Byju's. Okay, I've been getting a lot of comments and email requesting if there is any discount on Byju's IELTS course and if the counselors are charging a good amount from them. Okay, so here's the video, and I have partnered with Byju's top trusted counselors to bring you this much discount on your courses. Okay, so why I'm offering this to you? Because we made this collaboration due to your requests. Okay, I've been getting a lot of requests from candidates. They were deserving but economically poor students. Okay, so they were saying that they can't afford or something. Next point is counselors asking a lot of money. Actually, what happens, you guys don't know that if Byju's counselors are offering you that this is the price that you will be giving. Okay, so there is a hidden commission for those. Okay, so I have made the collaboration to the Byju's counselor directly. Okay, so they won't get that counselor that commission. Okay, yeah, and there are a lot of fake counselors also, because I've been receiving a lot of news information about fake counselors and asking a lot of money. So yes, Apna Cafe UPSC team comes forward in this initiative to help every deserving UPSC aspirants out there. We will refer you to Byju's top trusted counselors to get you the most discount on your course. How this works? This is simple. Okay, you have to just email us your contact number and your mail ID. Okay, and you have to share this video to deserving UPSC candidates, because this will help the one in need. Okay, because there are a lot of deserving candidates who can't afford other courses and they can't trust the counselors also. Okay, so I have made this and will connect you with our trusted counselors with best discount for you. Okay, they are most trusted counselors, you can trust them guys. And you have to just send your contact number on mail ID that is written on your screen. This is apnacafetime@gmail.com. Okay, just write it. Yes, I'm repeating it again because I've got this opportunity, right? I can help maximum students, maximum aspirants. So I'm trying to help maximum of numbers. So if you know any deserving aspirant, then share this video with them, and they'll send you have to just send your contact. Okay, contact number on this email ID. Just that's it. Okay, and yes, we're working hard. Okay, so in return we are asking to please consider subscribing. Okay, okay, yes, and I'm having a Telegram channel also, you can join. So help us to help you. Thank you.